about to go to the YMCA to do like a little spin class. It's not even like an actual spin class. I just like to go to the spin room and like I bring my iPad and I just put on like a YouTube spin class routine because I like to do like a weighted workout. I'm just wearing this like blue Shein set and I'm wearing my Velcro baby. Yes, she's just gonna stay with her daddy at home. Stay with Dada. So, like I said, I literally just will pop my iPad on or even my phone if I forgot my iPad, and I do this 25-minute arm and leg spin class, and I'm obsessed. And aside from showing you guys this fine ass, I wanted to show you guys that I'm soft and squishy too. And then once I get home, I'm hungry for lunch and I'm just heating up this soup I made. It's this like healing Chinese herbal soup that's for postpartum women, but I wanted to practice making it and making sure I liked it before I am postpartum. So I'm just gonna sit down and eat that, and then on to my vitamin restock of the week. This is my current vitamin lineup. I take saw palmetto and hair, skin, and nails for hair growth, especially postpartum. I take evening primrose oil at night, melatonin, calcium, and this, I can't remember why I started taking this, but I know it's good for fertility and some other things, so I just went ahead and started taking this. And I have the Ritual Essential Women's Prenatal Vitamins that I'm gonna be taking up until I get pregnant, and then I'll switch over my prenatals. But this is like my prenatal. I also take the generic form of Zoloft. It's called sertraline. I'm not gonna show you the bottle because, you know, it's got personal information on it, but I take that every day as well. My black little pill box is from Port and Polish, and then the white one with the pink pills, Carter actually 3D printed for me, so that's custom made for me. I do this every week. I have for years. I think it's so much easier to have everything, especially for day and night, because I'm a supplement girly, what can I say? And then now that Mariposa is awake, I decided to straighten up, and I cannot be the only one, but so many dog toys and baby toys and balls and any tiny little thing you can imagine rolls under our freaking couch, and it kills me. So me and Carter actually decided to take the feet off of our couch, and it made the couch like a few inches lower, but like it's so much better for our sanity. Like this way the dogs and the baby aren't like upset that there's something out of their reach, and it's just been so nice. And we did like a little living room reorganization while we were at it. Ideally, our next couch is going to go straight to the floor. Like I want one of those module sofas that's also has the washable covers. That is what I really need, because this, at least it's not white. My dream couch is a white washable couch, and I do love this couch. We actually all slept on this couch when we were home postpartum for the first week and the last few weeks of my pregnancy. So I actually am very emotionally attached to this couch. I love it so much. It was given to us from a friend, but it's from Ashley Home Furniture, I believe. And it actually isn't too difficult to keep clean, and the green machine from Bissell is super easy to use on this as well. I absolutely love how great at parenting we are, and that we just let Mariposa be part of all the action, and she just loves hanging out. It's so freaking sweet and precious. And now I'm just gonna meal prep for some of our meals for this week. I do not do the bulk of the grocery shopping on Sundays because most people do, and it causes me anxiety to be at the grocery store when it's too busy. But here I'm just making like a root veggie heavy lasagna. It was not my finest recipe, but it still turned out really good, and we all enjoyed it. And then one of my favorite recipes that I make every single week is this candy salmon. It's just got coconut aminos, maple syrup, garlic, and pepper, and I just let it marinate, and I just pull it out of the fridge whenever it's time to cook it in the air fryer and add it to the bag of sweet kale salad. And I always make the salmon skin and I cook it for the dogs for them to eat. Alright, and now it's time for an everything shower. I love to use this L'Occitane shower oil to shave, and I exfoliate my entire body because I'm gonna go get another spray tan, so I want my skin to really hold on to it. I moisturize my whole body, especially right now. The air is so dry. I've been loving Glow Recipe Plum Pump, the hyaluronic acid and the cream, and then I put a ton of oil all over my face, especially so the spray tan doesn't stick so much on my face, if that makes sense. Just getting the essentials, you know, my protein shake and collagen peptides before my spray tan. Okay, so I went to Kroger and I just picked up a couple of things because I actually don't like to do my big grocery shopping haul day on Sundays because that's like when everyone does it, and it's like really overwhelming for me to be around everyone. So I just picked up the sweet kale bag salad that we put like candy salmon in and cucumbers, like we add stuff to it. And I forgot that we needed more than one, so I got another one, and I got more collagen peptides powder by Vital Proteins, and I got more of the Fairlife protein shakes, which is what I use for my protein lattes in the morning. I also got a spray tan. I love getting spray tans at Suntan City. I do them at home. Well, I do like the tanning mousse at home all the time, but whenever Suntan City has like a sale or like a really good deal on spray tans, I always go to Suntan City. I go I'll be going multiple times this month because they have a lot of really good deals going on through their app. So like some of them it's like a whole tanning package, and I don't use the tanning beds, but you don't have to use the tanning beds. Like just get one that includes like the spray tan you want, and you get it for less than $10, you know. So I just did that. It's a rainy day, which is wild. If you get a spray tan while it's raining, make sure you have like an umbrella and a raincoat and like all this stuff. Luckily, it did decide to stop raining and be nice to me as I walked out of the store. But besides that, I have a ton of skincare on too. I did like an everything shower, exfoliated all the old tan off, lotioned up. Even though it's rainy, it's been really dry already here, so I put on like a ton of body lotion and body oil, and then went and got a spray tan and got the hydration, and then I'll probably put more lotion on my legs tonight because it's just like so itchy right now. Anyways, I put a ton of skincare and oil on my face because I don't care for it to like sit on my face as long like as on my body, so this way it's like it doesn't absorb as much into my face skin because there's so much like oil and skincare on it. But yeah, I took a shower, my hair's all wet. I like to just slap it up here and then I'll blow dry it when I get home, or maybe I'll let it air dry and do a heatless curler. Who knows, we'll see.